Happy birthday Nuna. Ayun, wish you good health. Tapos more birthdays to come. Hope to see you soon. Baka magkita tayo this December 24, diba? So ayun, ingat palagi, tsaka yun lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano dapat kong sabihin, pero yun, Papa Chingos will always be here for you no matter what. Tsaka sana if you have chance talaga na makita mo ulit si Mr. Dungka, don't hesitate na lapitan siya. Opportunity comes once, okay? Alayo ng Iloilo sa Manila, so grab the chance para wala ka ng pagsisihan, no regrets. And yun, advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Regards kay ate, tsaka kay Disri. So, ingat kayo palagi dyan and I miss you. Bye-bye.